Good morning everyone and happy new year. Today is 1st of January 2025 and what a better way to start a new year than starting a new trip, a new adventure on this bright new day. We are going for a short trip to Pondicherry, the French Riviera in the east. Let's get going. So as you know, we are on our way to Pondicherry. Pondicherry is about 300-ish kilometers from Bangalore. We started at around 9:50, so we've been almost traveling for an hour. Since this is like the fag end of holiday season, so people are generally returning, so it should probably be easier on the roads. But still, Google Maps says another 4.5 hours of drive for Pondicherry is a union territory, officially known as Puducherry now. It is also the capital of the entire union territory, so seat of power. Union territory effectively means that the executive powers are rest mostly within the federal or the central government. Puducherry is known as French Riviera of the East. It is a culmination of Indian and French culture. Quality of road is pretty good, nicely marked. There's greenery on both sides. Gradually we've started seeing more of coconut trees, which gets you in that aura of beach coming soon and stuff like that. So a pretty good drive. We are about an hour out of Pondicherry and we've taken a pit stop here at Teatopia Juice and Snack Center. Fun of road trips is partly because of such pit stops where you get to have local snacks, local tea. The flavors of tea and coffee changes from every kilometer to kilometer, and that's so we entered the boundaries of the state of Tamil Nadu a little while earlier. But what we are planning to cover on our way to Pondicherry is a town called Tiruvannamalai. It is known for a very ancient and very important from a religious perspective. There's a temple out here. So we are about 9 kilometers out of our hotel, just entering the city of Puducherry in another 5 minutes. It's almost 4 p.m. so we've tracked almost what Google Maps was suggesting. It took about 6.25 hours from Bangalore with a couple of stops. So we've just checked into our hotel here at Sea Gadabout, which is on the promenade or the beach road. We've got a sea-facing balcony room. So you can see right behind me is the view that we are getting from our room, which is let's go down, walk on that promenade that you see behind me and get that vibe of French aura in India, the erstwhile. So we've come out now to walk on the promenade, the beach road. It's a vehicle-free road, which is the charm because you can then walk freely and have fun. The sea here is not the one where you can go into water or play in sand. It's a rocky beach out there, so it's more like Marine Drive in Bombay. back to our hotel. We visited the promenade, which is the beach road, walkway, traffic-free area where you can relax, unwind, walk along the sea, and enjoy the vibe of the French aura here in Pondicherry. So overall a good day. Back to our hotel, calling it a day now. Wrapping up day one of our Pondicherry trip here right now. We'll see you tomorrow as we start our second day of the trip.